In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize ChatGPT account. We'll walk through where all the key settings live and what each area is for, so you can tailor the experience to your preferences without getting overwhelmed. Start by opening ChatGPT. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is your control center. You'll see a set of categories down the side, and each one focuses on a different part of your account and experience. In general, you'll typically find options that shape how ChatGPT looks and behaves at a high level. This is where you might adjust things like the app theme, basic interface preferences, or other global toggles that make the workspace feel comfortable and familiar. Next, head to Notifications. Here you decide when and how you want to be notified. If you prefer minimal interruptions, you can tone things down. If you want timely updates about activity that matters to you, this is where you turn them on. Personalization is all about making ChatGPT feel more like a helpful partner. This area usually includes ways to share your preferences so responses better match your style. If there's a memory feature available to you, this section often explains how it works and how to control it. Apps is where you manage connected experiences. If you use companion apps or integrations, this is the place to review what's linked, keep things organized, and make sure your setup matches how you actually work. Billing is straightforward. It's where you review your plan, check your subscription status, and view invoices. If you ever need to confirm what you're paying for or see your billing history, you'll find it here. Data controls focus on privacy and data management. This section typically includes options related to chat history, data export, and how your conversations may be used to improve services. Take a moment to read each option so you're comfortable with your choices. Security is about protecting your account. Expect options related to login safety and added protection measures. Even small adjustments here can make a big difference to your account's safety. Parental controls, if available to you, provide tools to shape access for younger users. This can help create a safer, more tailored environment. Finally, the account section covers your core account details and housekeeping items. If you need to manage your basic info or review account status, this is your spot. Take your time, explore each category, and adjust what fits your needs. When you're done, you've successfully customized your ChatGPT account.